What if I told you that the very first 5 minutes after you wake up hold the key to adding not just years, but quality to your life? Not through expensive medicine, not through risky surgery, but through a simple, ancient morning ritual, now confirmed by modern science, that can strengthen your heart, protect your memory, and keep your body moving with grace well into your 70s, 80s, and even beyond. Think about it. Every morning, the moment your eyes open, your body and mind are waiting for direction. In that fragile window between sleep and wakefulness, you have the chance to either prepare your system for resilience or set it on the slow path toward decline. What you choose in those first minutes matters more than you've been told. If you often wake up stiff, groggy, or weighed down by fatigue, this may be your wake-up call. But here's the hopeful truth. It's also your second chance. Just 5 intentional minutes, practiced with care, can rebuild strength, sharpen focus, and restore energy you thought was gone for good. And today, I will guide you through 5 sacred morning steps, small, gentle habits drawn from centuries-old traditions of monks, healers, and elders, each now supported by modern science. If you honor them, they will become your daily shield against the wear and tear of aging. So let us begin. Step 1, the ritual of hydration. As you sleep, your body quietly works through the night, repairing, filtering, restoring. But in this process, it also loses water. You wake up in a state of hidden dehydration. Your blood is thicker. Your heart is forced to push harder. This is why strokes and heart attacks so often occur in the early hours of the morning. Most people, without knowing, make it worse by reaching for coffee first thing. But coffee is a diuretic. It drains more water from you when what you need most is replenishment. The answer? As soon as your feet touch the floor, drink 1 glass of room temperature water with a squeeze of lemon. Why room temperature? Because icy water shocks the system, constricting blood vessels when your body needs expansion and flow. Why lemon? Because it provides vitamin C, potassium, and gentle compounds that assist your liver in flushing away the waste filtered overnight. This act seems simple, even ordinary, but it is not. It is the first act of kindness you give your body each morning, easing the strain on your heart, rehydrating your brain, and reawakening every cell. Step 2, the awakening of movement. After long hours of stillness, your blood settles, your joints stiffen, your circulation slows. This is why many older adults feel dizzy or unsteady when they first rise. Yet most force themselves straight into the day, dragging a body that is not yet ready. The wise do not rush. They align. They begin with gentle movements that tell the body, we are awake. We are ready. Stand by your bed. Place your feet shoulder width apart. Lift your arms overhead and take a deep breath, filling your lungs fully. Lower your arms slowly, releasing the weight of sleep. Roll your shoulders back 5 times, then forward. Rotate your neck gently from side to side. Finally, rise onto your toes and lower back down 10 times. This takes barely 1 minute, but it is powerful. Blood begins to flow. Oxygen reaches your brain. Balance returns to your body. Your mind clears. Science now confirms. Even light morning movement reduces stroke risk, stabilizes blood pressure, and boosts mood. This isn't exercise. It's awakening. Step 3, the gift of nourishment. Now your body is moving, but a silent danger lurks: muscle loss. After the age of 60, the body begins to break down muscle more quickly than it builds it. Each morning, as you wake in a fasted state, your system begins to pull protein from your muscles for energy. Left unchecked, this slow erosion leads to weakness, frailty, and falls. But there is a remedy. Within 30 minutes of waking, give your body a small dose of clean protein. It doesn't need to be a feast. A spoonful of Greek yogurt with protein powder, a boiled egg, a protein shake, even a handful of nuts. This simple act halts muscle breakdown and fuels repair. Over time, consistent morning protein can preserve up to 60% more muscle mass compared to skipping it. And with that muscle comes independence, balance, and strength for years ahead. You don't need a heavy breakfast. You just need fuel for resilience. Step 4. The dance of mobility. Your muscles may be fed, but what about your joints? Overnight, the synovial fluid that cushions and lubricates them thickens. If you start moving without loosening them, bones grind, inflammation builds, and long-term damage can follow. This is why so many elders lose freedom not from illness, but from stiff, painful joints that slowly steal their independence. But here's the miracle. Mobility can be preserved in under 2 minutes. Sit at the edge of your bed. Rotate your ankles 10 times each way. Rotate your knees gently. Stand, holding a chair if needed, and twist your torso left and right. Bend side to side. Roll your shoulders again. These are not exercises. They are invitations to freedom, small movements that whisper to your body, I respect your years, but I will not let stiffness chain me. Remember this truth. Mobility is independence. Protect it, and you protect your freedom. Step 5. The practice of clarity. Your body is awake. Your joints are loose. Your muscles are protected. But what about your mind? If your thoughts are scattered, if your memory feels dim, the rest will not matter. A sharp mind is the crown of a long life. And to protect it, you must practice presence. Before the noise of the day pours in, sit quietly, close your eyes, and take just 1 minute to revisit yesterday in reverse. What did you have for dinner? Who did you speak to in the afternoon? What color was the sky in the morning? This gentle act builds what neuroscientists call cognitive reserve, the brain's ability to stay strong even as age and time try to wear it down. Studies show those who train their awareness like this remain sharper for longer, adapting even when memory challenges arrive. This isn't just memory training. It is respect for the day that passed. It is telling your mind, I am awake. I am aware. I am still learning. The choice before you. So there you have it. 5 sacred steps. Hydration, movement, nourishment, mobility, clarity, 5 minutes. Gentle, simple, powerful. The world often tells us that aging means decline, that growing older is nothing but weakness and loss. But that is false. Aging is not decline. It is discipline, ritual, and choice. Each morning, you stand at a crossroads. You can stumble into the day rushed, foggy, and stiff. Or you can rise with intention, aligning body, mind, and spirit before the world even knows you're awake. You can ignore these 5 minutes and spend the next decade unraveling. Or you can honor them and add decades of strength, clarity, and joy. Tomorrow morning, when your eyes open, take back those 5 minutes. Drink slowly, move gently, eat wisely, stretch softly, remember deeply, because those minutes are not small. They are the most powerful minutes of your day. And perhaps the most powerful minutes of your life. And if you wonder where to begin, just begin. Start with one habit. Let it anchor you. Then add another. Over time, these small rituals will weave into a sacred morning practice that keeps you strong, centered, and wise. You are not here just to survive the later chapters of your life. You are here to thrive in them, with strength, with peace, and with wisdom that inspires all who follow.